Hi, I'm Dr. Manish Khanna, first batch student from the course of rheumatology by BMG. So, as they have asked, what motivated to take the course? So, it was during my post graduation years that I had developed interest in rheumatic diseases, and since then I was looking for a substantial course that was quite elaborative. So, I came across this BMJ course, which was contributed by authors around South Asia. So many authors contributed for this. So, since the outlook looked very promising, I had joined the course. So, how has this course impacted my understanding on rheumatology management? Yes, it's a ever learning process in any field of medicine. Like same is with the rheumatology. Definitely, it has helped me from the baseline. So, I have gained something around 40 to 60% from my previous knowledge, and I believe I have to be learning the same thing forward too. So third would be, would you recommend this course to others? Yeah, definitely I would recommend this course to the people who have an interest in rheumatology. So who are seeing cases of rheumatology and they are stuck between the treatment, what to give. So they should definitely join the course. It will always help them in day-to-day practice, and definitely it will help their patients a lot. Thank you so much.